Number 1 asks us, which of the following equations shows a proportional relationship? So let's start with this key phrase, proportional relationship. If I have an equation that is representing a proportional relationship, I have to remember that I stay in this form, y equals mx. So that pretty much means I've got y isolated, and then on the other side I have x with a coefficient. So let's look at our 4 options. A, I clearly see that there's a constant, so it couldn't be A. B, it looks like we've just got one coefficient, 8/5 times x. We don't have a coefficient in front of y, and we don't have a constant either. So let's keep moving and see if B is our answer. For C, we've got grouping symbol, and then in front of the grouping symbol, the number 2. So we distribute or multiply 2 to x and 4. So we would definitely have a constant if we evaluated that. So it can't be C. Now let's take a look at D. So again, we're in the form where we have y by itself, but then we have x plus 1. So here we have a constant. So our answer is B.